Let's jump straight into a do now question to get warmed up. If the PED of instant coffee was negative 0.25, and back in 2012, each jar sold for £1 and 50,000 units were sold, and now in 2025, the jars were £1 60. Now that's in real terms because we're considering this to be ceteris paribus. A, what is the new quantity of coffee sold? So we know that PED is a percentage change in quantity demanded divided by the percentage change in price. We can see quickly that the percentage change in price was an increase of 60% because we've gone from £1 to £1 60. We want to know, first of all, what the percentage change of quantity demand must have been before we can work out what the new quantity was sold. If we substitute in the numbers we have, negative 0.25 is equal to an unknown value we'll call x divided by 60. If we multiply both sides by 60, a quarter of 60 is going to be 15. So we know that the change in quantity demand was a fall of 15%. So question A asks, what is the new quantity of coffee sold? So let's reduce 50,000 by 15% by timesing it by 0.85, and we got 42,500 units sold. B, what is the change in revenue? We know total revenue is found by doing price times quantity, and so we'll have to find the new price times quantity. So we'll do £1 60 times 42,500, take away the old price times quantity, which is £1 times £50,000, and we'll see that that was a change of £18,000. And so what is the change? The change is an increase of £18,000. Part C says show this with a sketch using a ruler. We're going to start with drawing our price and quantity axes and a very steep downward sloping demand curve. It is steep to reflect the fact that 0.25 will give us an inelastic PED. We're going to draw on our initial price, which was £1, and we're going to show our initial quantity, which was 50,000. Then we're going to show an increase in price of 60%. So we're going to put the new price as £1 60 and our new quantity as 42,500 units.